Let me echo Dean Cozier. I want to thank Alice. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for disagreeing with us. Thank you for teaching us. We are, as Dean Cozier said, trying to learn and trying to be better. I think Dean Cozier captured it well when said we are on a DAIJ journey, and we are engaging with this topic expressly to learn and be better, to be more inclusive. And thank you for helping us get there. Thank you to our community who has also engaged with this topic. Thank you to our students, our faculty, our staff who have read Alice's book and have used that as part of our public health conversations, which will continue throughout the whole year. And thank you to everybody who joined this event. We always really enjoy bringing this community of people interested in these topics together. Everybody, have a good afternoon, evening, or day, depending on your time zone. Thank you for everything you do for public health. Take good care, everybody. Thank you.